This YouTube channel didn't even exist a year ago, yet they've already passed 3 million subscribers, and they're not slowing down. If you've been on YouTube recently, you've probably stumbled across those viral 3D animated documentary videos. The channel Fern? Yeah, those. They're not just visually insane, they're pulling millions of views and stacking ad revenue that reaches up to $800,000 per year, according to Social Blade. That's $2,000 plus per day from uploading faceless animations. Crazy, right? So I got obsessed. I binge-watched, researched everything, and reverse-engineered how they're doing it. But here's the twist. Most people assume you need a team of professional 3D artists or expensive software. Wrong. I've cracked a way to recreate this exact style using nothing but AI. And in this video, I'm giving you the full blueprint step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create these high-retention faceless documentaries, even if you have zero 3D animation skills.
Wait, before we move on, if you're dreaming of making real money with AI but don't know where to start, this is your chance. Grab my ebook, Online Business with AI, with 20+ zero investment business models. Start your journey today. Links in the description. Don't let this opportunity slip away.
Step 1, AI-generated topic script. We start by choosing a strong storyline. Think history, crime, politics, the stuff that Fern dominates with, but we're not brainstorming manually. I built a custom GPT trained on the top-performing scripts and video structures in this niche. I fed it hundreds of successful videos so it could literally think like a viral documentary channel. Ready? Here's how it works. Open the GPT. It looks just like ChatGPT. Prompt it, what are 10 powerful Fern-style video topics? Boom, it drops a viral list. I picked the John Titor time traveler theory. It's weird, creepy, and packed with curiosity. Perfect. Now type, generate idea number 1. In seconds, it spits out an entire script and detailed visual descriptions tailored to the exact tone Fern uses. Next, prompt, create image prompts for each scene. Done. You now have a viral-ready script and visual blueprint. If you're learning something new, hit subscribe so you don't miss next week's viral AI hack. Step 2, visual generation. Now it's time to bring those scenes to life. I used ChatGPT 4.0 for generating the images, but not with basic prompts. You need a very specific 3D polygonal style like Fern's. Random prompts won't get you there. That's why I created a custom prompt template that nails the exact style. You'll find it inside my free step-by-step doc. First link in the description. It's gold. Just copy your scene's image prompt into the bracket that says describe subject and pose, paste it into ChatGPT, generate, boom. You've got visuals that look identical to Fern's videos. Repeat this for each scene and soon you'll have a full visual storyboard created entirely by AI. Step 3, animating the visuals. Movement money. Next, we animate. I use Leonardo.ai, and here's why. It lets you control camera movement using a feature called Motion 2.0, which makes your visuals feel cinematic and dynamic. Upload your first image, paste the original prompt, select Motion 2.0, and pick a movement like dolly left or zoom in. Set video mode to 720p, dimensions to 16:9. Hit generate. You'll be shocked by how professional it looks. It's smooth, it's clean, it's YouTube gold. Now repeat this process until every image is animated. Step 4, voiceover. Yes, AI can do this too. For voiceovers, I use 11 Labs. The voice you're hearing right now, fully AI, super realistic, tons of tone control. Go to 11 Labs, explore voices, or even better, clone one from a viral channel. Yes, it's legal under fair use with proper tweaks. Paste your AI-generated script inside, add commas and caps to guide the tone, and hit generate speech. If it sounds off, regenerate it once or twice. Once happy, download your full voiceover. Step 5, final editing, the polish most creators miss. Let's bring everything together. Open Premiere Pro or any editor. Import your animation's voiceover. Drop the VO on the timeline. Cut out all long pauses using the razor tool to speed it up, but keep it natural. Now layer your visuals above the audio. Adjust durations to match the voice. Important, add variety. Fern doesn't just use AI animations. They blend in YouTube clips, TikToks, images, news reports, whatever fits the story. This makes retention spike. For example, if you're mentioning John Titor, show newspaper headlines or grainy footage. If you're referencing a great speaker, show clips of MLK or Churchill. Talking about a scientist, throw in Einstein. Use famous faces, familiarity builds trust. Need graphics? Go to paperanimator.com, enter keywords like John Titor, and in seconds get a paper cut style animation that pops on screen. Step 6, sound design, the secret sauce. This is where 90% of creators mess up. Sound design adds emotion, rhythm, impact. In this video, I used a track called Partners in Crime. Just drag it under the voiceover and adjust the volume. Now export your video. But before you upload, there's one more thing. Bonus. Beat the YouTube algorithm. This changes everything. If you're uploading to a brand new YouTube channel, the algorithm will treat you like spam. Why? Because new accounts have no trust score.